Hello friends. My name is Gaurav. Today we are making complete list of Spanish speaking countries with capital and continents. First country is Argentina. And its capital is Buenos Aires. And it is situated in American continent. Second country is Bolivia. And its capital is Sucre. And it is situated in American continent. Third country is Chile. And its capital is Santiago. And it is situated in American continent. Fourth country is Colombia. And its capital is Bogota. And it is situated in American continent. Fifth country is Costa Rica. And its capital is San Jose. And it is situated in American continent. Sixth country is Cuba. And its capital is Havana. And it is situated in American continent. Seventh country is Dominican Republic. And its capital is Santo Domingo. And it is situated in American continent. EIGTH country is Ecuador. And its capital is Quito. And it is situated in American continent. Ninth country is El Salvador and its capital is San Salvador. And it is situated in American continent. 10th country is Equatorial Guinea. And its capital is Malabo. And it is situated in African continent. 11th country is Guatemala and its capital is Guatemala. And it is situated in American continent. 12th country is Honduras and its capital is Tegucigalpa. And it is situated in American continent. 13th country is Mexico. And its capital is Mexico City. And it is situated in American continent. 14th country is Nicaragua. And its capital is Managua. And it is situated in American continent. 15th country is Panama. And its capital is Panama City. And it is situated in American continent. 16th country is Paraguay and its capital is Asuncion. And it is situated in American continent. 17th country is Peru. And its capital is Lima. And it is situated in American continent. 18th country is Spain. And its capital is Madrid. And it is situated in European continent. 19th country is Uruguay. And its capital is Montevideo. And it is situated in American continent. 20th country is Venezuela. And its capital is Caracas. And it is situated in American continent. 21 number country is Puerto Rica. This country is not having its official language Spanish. Still popular language is Spanish and its capital is San Havana. And it is situated in American continent. Thank you guys. If you like our video, please like us and subscribe us.